in the British society or in British society, contemporary Indian society or the contemporary Indian society. Do we need any articles here? Is there any rule of grammar that can explain or clarify this information? Actually, a good rule of thumb says that you should omit to use articles when you talk about societies that belong to different countries or cultures. A few proper examples could be: what was British society like in the 19th century? Or how is contemporary Indian society changing? This tradition is strong in Eastern society. Other examples: However, do not forget the articles when you refer to an organization or a community. For instance, British Society, but the British Society of Writers. Japanese Society, but the Japanese Society of Artists. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.